Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, everyone. I am Tejas Deshmukh, and it's my pleasure to welcome you all today on the episode of EncoraTalk around transforming digital health record, patient experience, and clinical outcomes with AI. Over the next 30 to 35 minutes, I will guide you through AI's potentials to tackle modern age healthcare challenges, transforming patient care and clinical delivery. Quick introduction about myself. Tejas Deshmukh. I am the healthcare industry principal at Encora. I have over 20 years of experience in US health IT. I specialize in building products for payers and provider, which includes population health management, behavioral health, remote care, with a core focus of product strategy, process improvement, and domain expertise. I drive key strategic initiatives in this highly regulated healthcare industry. Now, without wasting further time, let's deep dive into today's session. We are going to cover AI's role in improving patient experience and clinical outcome. As part of this session, we are going to cover following topics: AI and healthcare industry, AI powered solutions in patient engagement and clinical decision, AI agents, the intelligent co-pilots, building trust with AI, future trends and innovation. Let's understand healthcare industry and technology in a nutshell. Healthcare industry is incredibly appealing to a lot of large tech giants, especially those who are focusing on data and AI, for several reasons. First, the massive market opportunity with healthcare. As you know, healthcare is a multi-trillion dollar industry. And with aging population and rising cost, it becomes a very lucrative market for technology companies to implement innovation. It is also a data-rich environment. On an average, healthcare generates more than 500 exabyte of data in just one day. Data could be around patient records, medical images, data that are generated by wearable devices, and so on. Tech companies who are focusing on data and AI are able to do a lot of transformation using this information. AI has a lot of potential for disruption in healthcare, specifically into clinical optimization of workflows, predictive analytics, and outcome based solutions. For tech giants like Microsoft, Google, Amazon, and Apple's of the world, entry into healthcare makes a logical sense of expanding their footprint in this ecosystem. Technology companies are also enabling shift towards value-based care by implementing a lot of innovative solutions around prediction and outcome-based initiatives. Now let's look at some of the core AI technologies in healthcare. Machine learning. Machine learning is one of the core technology where AI is leveraged. It helps in identifying a lot of patterns related to disease detection, risk prediction, drug discovery, and personalized medicines. The other core technology that is heavily leveraged in AI is NLP, natural language processing. With this technology, we are able to extract a lot of meaningful insights from clinical notes, patient records. It enables speech to text and powers a lot of AI chatbots for patient engagements. The next technology in healthcare leveraging AI is computer vision. It is the most leveraged technology in medical image analytics. It helps us to accurately diagnose medical conditions, and heavily implemented into radiology, dermatology, and oncology departments. Now let's see how AI is transforming clinical workflows. AI in diagnostic. AI in diagnostic is enabling for more faster and accurate disease detection and real-time patient monitoring. AI in treatment and personalized medicines are able to recommend treatment plans more personalized, accelerate drug discovery, and enhance clinical decision makings. AI is also revolutionizing the clinical workflows, focusing on to workflow automation and administrative tasks. They are streamlining a lot of administrative tasks which are repetitive in manner, and in turn reducing burnouts and improving efficiencies in the overall healthcare operations. Remote patient monitoring and predictive analytics is another focus area where a lot of AI powered variables are enabling proactive care throughout the continuous monitoring and early intervention. Now let's understand why AI matters in healthcare. AI is enhancing efficiency, accuracy, and personalization, transforming patient care and hospital operations. It is automating a lot of administrative tasks, reducing clinician burnout, and optimizing workflow, thus bringing efficiencies in the overall system. It is improving diagnostic accuracy and enhancing clinical decision makings. It is also providing tailored treatments, personalized treatment plans, doing predictive analytics, and AI driven remote monitoring. Thus, AI is driving smarter, faster, and more accessible healthcare. Let's look at some of the AI powered solution focusing on to patient engagement. The first one is chatbots and virtual assistant. This is this is heavily used to provide 24/7 virtual patient support, improving accessibility and reducing administrative burden. Chatbots are able to manage the appointments for patients, automating the scheduling functionality. AI powered preliminary assessments and triage recommendations are also provided by these chatbots. The next solution that is focusing on patient engagements are the personalized communications. How AI is enabling the personalized communication. They are enhancing the engagement through tailored interaction based on the patient's history, preferences, and behavioral patterns. They are providing timely reminders, alerts for medications, follow ups, and lifestyle adjustments. They are also playing a key role in patient education. AI curated relevant health contents for specific conditions. Voice and NLP applications are also playing a major role in patient engagement. AI powered voice assistants are improving accessibility of care, especially for elderly and disabled patients. A complete suite of care companions are working on this concept of voice and NLP. Hands free patient instructions, providing voice enabled scheduling and health queries. And speech to text for clinician, reducing the documentation time, allowing doctors to focus more on their patient interaction rather spending time on entering the data. Remote monitoring and AI alerts. AI driven variables and remote monitoring tools enable real time tracking for chronic conditions. We are also able to do continuous health monitoring leveraging AI and provide early warnings for potential health risk. Let's look at some of the AI solutions that are focusing on clinical decision support and outcome improvements. AI in early disease detections. AI is now able to analyze data from variable devices, analyze data from ECGs, and detect heart conditions like atrial fibrillation, heart failure, and arrhythmias, thus providing a lot of support to cardiac patients. AI in radiology is able to accurately detect cancerous tumors by reading radiology images. AI can also detect medical conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's through MRI scans, looking at the speech pattern and doing cognitive assessments. AI is also heavily used in the risk assessment. It enables to predict sepsis, stroke, and hospital readmission risk based on patient's history, vitals, and lab results. AI is able to flag high risk patients in ICU or emergency room for timely interventions. Risk stratification and personalized treatment. AI is now able to analyze EHR data, genomic data, lifestyle, and SDOH factors to tailor treatment plans. It helps oncologists recommend personalized cancer treatment based on the tumor genetics. AI powered medication management minimizes a lot of adverse drug reactions that could potentially happen during the care journey. Automation in care coordination. AI is now able to match patients with the right specialist. This helps in reducing the referral delays. AI can also predict patients who are ready for discharge and also suggest post acute care plans. AI is also able to monitor chronic disease patients through continuous monitoring. Now, let's look at how AI agents are transforming traditional healthcare delivery models. The traditional healthcare system is primarily focusing on static patient data. There will be a fundamental shift by implementing agentic AIs that will drive autonomous decision making and proactive capabilities to healthcare. Some of the agentic AIs are transforming intelligent clinical workflows, bringing automation in the overall operations. They are able to provide adaptive decision support and do a lot of predictive insights. They are enhancing the interoperability and data intelligence. They are able to personalize patient engagement and self management. Let's look into each of these agents in detail. Intelligent clinical workflow and automation. AI is now able to do proactive data entry and medical record summarization. It helps in reducing a lot of administrative burden on the healthcare provider. It is also able to do task prioritization and coordination. It can dynamically prioritize tasks for clinicians based on the urgency, patient history, and workload distribution. It is able to automate scheduling for follow ups, medication reconciliation, and diagnostic recommendations. Adaptive decision support and predictive insights. Variable powered by AI are shifting healthcare from reactive to proactive care by continuously tracking health metrics. AI enabled variables for remote monitoring, early disease detection, predictive analytics, and continuous monitorings are leading for better outcomes. Enhance interoperability and data intelligence. These intelligent co-pilots are able to extract data from unstructured clinical notes. As you know, 80% of healthcare data that is generated is in the form of unstructured format, making valuable data more accessible. It also helps cross provider collaboration. AI driven insights streamline transition of care by ensuring all the relevant patient information is shared seamlessly with the healthcare stakeholders. It can analyze multi institutional data to provide benchmarking and evidence based recommendation. AI is also personalizing the patient engagement and self management. Conversational AI is for patient interaction. It helps to engage patients through chatbot and voice assistant, providing 24/7 healthcare support. Virtual AI assistant will personalize responses based on patient history and preferences. AI is also helping driving health coaching and preventive care. Now let's look at how healthcare agents are transforming the overall healthcare ecosystem from a passive data system to proactive AI driven platforms. Agentic AIs are transforming administrative burden to AI assisted workflow, from a reactive care to more predictive and personalized interventions. Now let's dwell into how to make AI more trustworthy. There are a lot of biases that could happen in a in an AI algorithm. AI models learn from historical healthcare data. It might contain biases which could be related to race, genders, and other factors. If unchecked, it could actually create more health inequalities rather than improving the patient care. Here are some of the strategies that could eliminate the biases in your AI model. Use of diverse and representative data, performing bias audit and explainability, implementing model transparencies, leveraging human in loop approach. These are few strategies which will eliminate the biases that are related to your AI models. And some best practices around AI human collaboration would be to use AI as augmenting tool and not as a replacement for humans. Final decision must always rest with the trained healthcare professional, and there should be a continuous AI training and feedback loops to ensure it's fair and unbiased. Let's look at some of the future trends of AI and its innovations. AI is driving the next wave of healthcare innovation, making care delivery much more faster, smarter, and patient centric. The combination of generative AI powered variables, and virtual consultations will shape a proactive and a data driven healthcare ecosystem. Some of the generative AI solutions in healthcare are more aligned towards generating clinical documentation, automating medical notes taking, summarization, and reports, leveraging speech to text AI and ambient listening technologies, leveraging AI for real time healthcare monitoring and insights, and a personalized health insight for chronic disease management. AI can also be leveraged in the telemedicine ecosystem where AI assisted virtual consultation will make healthcare more accessible. Remote diagnosis and decision support will help providers make faster and data driven clinical decisions. Now, let's look at some of the key questions that every organization should consider before adopting AI. AI adoption challenges and solutions. Understand what are the biggest barrier to AI adoption in your organization. Try to answer how they can be addressed. Identify the AI clinical workflows. Where do you see the most immediate impact of AI in your day-to-day operations? Identify the data and compliances side of implementing AI, maintaining privacy and security. And what would be the strategies for implementing AI in your workflows? Conclusion: AI adoption in healthcare is no longer optional, it's a strategic necessity. Organizations that embrace AI driven innovation will lead the way in delivering much faster, smarter, and cost effective healthcare. Now is the time to explore AI's potential, invest in digital transformation, and build a future proof healthcare operations. Readiness: identify operational efficiencies. Explore existing AI solutions for EHR automation, telehealth integrations, and predictive analytics. Adopt land and expand strategy. Pilot AI projects in targeted areas before full scale implementation. And last but not the least, stay informed. Follow the latest trends in AI, healthcare technology, and regulatory development. With this, it's a wrap up for today's session, and let's make it there for any questions from the audiences here. What are some of the AI application in healthcare that do not require patient data? Yes, I come across this question pretty often from a lot of our healthcare customers who are starting their AI journey. It's important to establish the initial trust into AI models and also avoid any regulatory compliances. Some of the AI use cases which does not require patient data that I could think of could be around regulating the use case that I could think around using non-PHI data could be around hospital resource management, automating medical coding, and enhancing market intelligence. This use case won't require any PHI data, and you can start building on top of it. How does AI contribute to value-based care model? AI is enabling you to get a lot of insight with respect to the risk factors that are associated with a patient. They are able to predict patient outcomes. They are helping you to identify any potential hospital readmission possibilities. They're helping you to optimize provider performance. All of this is actually helping hospital enterprises to transform from the traditional fee for service to value based care model. How does AI contribute to health equity? AI can identify a lot of disparities within access to healthcare. AI can actually identify social determinants of health by looking into your clinical notes, patient records, and it can improve real world evidence of SDOH to assist in identifying patients who really could benefit from the resources and social work support that is required. Will AI replace human physician? Absolutely not. AI is always going to be used as an augmented tool. At the end, humans would be accountable and work as a gatekeeper before finalizing any outcomes that are provided by the AI models. So, thank you everyone. I want to express my sincere gratitude to each of you for joining me on this webinar today. For more insightful content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel Encora Inc. There will be a lot of insightful webinars and discussions. And of course, for more updates, do visit our website www.encora.com. Thank you.